The world of gemstones and jewelry is one that is filled with beauty and mysticism. There are many gemstones to choose from, but none quite compares to the Indicolite Tourmaline. This gemstone is unique and has a fascinating history that is filled with intriguing stories. Indicolite Tourmaline is a gemstone that comes from the tourmaline family. The tourmaline family is a group of boron silicate minerals that are found in granitic and metamorphic rocks. The name tourmaline is derived from the Sri Lankan word tourmali, which means mixed gemstones. The name was given to this mineral because tourmalines can come in different colors such as pink, red, green, blue, black, and more. The Indicolite Tourmaline is the blue version of the tourmaline gemstone. This gemstone is a rare and precious gemstone that is known for its beautiful blue color. The blue color of the Indicolite Tourmaline is due to the presence of iron in the crystal structure. The Indicolite Tourmaline has a long and interesting history. The gemstone was first discovered in the Paraíba state of Brazil in the 1980s. The mineral was initially mistaken for aquamarine. However, it was later identified as Indicolite Tourmaline due to its unique blue color. The discovery of the Indicolite Tourmaline caused a surge in the demand for the gemstone. The rarity of the gemstone and the unique blue color made it very valuable. In the early 2000s, the Indicolite Tourmaline was also discovered in Nigeria, Mozambique, and Afghanistan. The Indicolite Tourmaline is a unique gemstone with several important properties. The gemstone formula shows that the gemstone is a complex compound made up of many elements. The Indicolite Tourmaline has a hardness of 7 to 7.5 on the Mohs scale. This means that it is quite hard and can resist scratching and abrasions. The gemstone has a specific gravity of 3.06 to 3.10. The refractive index of Indicolite Tourmaline ranges from 1.61 to 1.64. One unique aspect of the Indicolite Tourmaline is that it is pleochroic. This means that the gemstone can display different colors when viewed from different angles. The gemstone can also display a color change effect when viewed under different lighting conditions. The blue color of Indicolite Tourmaline is due to the presence of iron in the crystal structure. The intensity of the blue color can vary depending on the concentration of iron in the gemstone. The gemstone can also come in different shades of blue such as light blue, sky blue, and teal. The Indicolite Tourmaline has several uses in the jewelry industry. The gemstone is highly sought after by collectors and jewelers due to its rarity and beauty. The gemstone is used to make various types of jewelry such as rings, pendants, bracelets, and necklaces. The Indicolite Tourmaline is also used in the healing and spiritual realms. The gemstone is believed to have healing properties that can help calm the mind, body, and spirit. The gemstone is also believed to have protective properties that can help shield against negative energy. If you are interested in buying Indicolite Tourmaline jewelry, there are a few things to keep in mind. The first thing to consider is the source of the gemstone. The Indicolite Tourmaline should come from a reputable source to ensure that it is authentic. The color of the Indicolite Tourmaline is also important. The gemstone should have a vivid and intense blue color. The gemstone should also display pleochroism and color change effects. The clarity of the Indicolite Tourmaline is also important. The gemstone should be free of inclusions and have a good cut. The size of the gemstone can also affect its value. Larger Indicolite Tourmaline gemstones are rarer and, therefore, more valuable. Caring for Indicolite Tourmaline jewelry is relatively easy. The gemstone should be cleaned with warm, soapy water and a soft brush. The gemstone should not be exposed to harsh chemicals or extreme temperatures. Indicolite Tourmaline jewelry should also be stored in a safe and secure place. The Indicolite Tourmaline is a unique and rare gemstone that has a fascinating history. The gemstone is highly sought after by collectors and jewelers due to its beauty and rarity. Indicolite Tourmaline jewelry is a valuable addition to any jewelry collection. With proper care, Indicolite Tourmaline jewelry can last a lifetime and be passed down from generation to generation. Be sure to like this video and click to subscribe to see more content.